Alright guys, it's Stewie and Mark from Savage Outlaw. First off, we just want to say thank you for the great reception we received off the back of the acoustic rendition of Heartbreakers and Hellraisers. There's well over 3,000 views on the page, lots of great comments. We're looking forward to getting in the studio and especially getting that track down for you guys in the summer. What we're going to do is a couple of acoustic renditions over the next few weeks of the artists that have inspired us as musicians over the years, a couple of our own tracks as well for good measure, just to give you a different taste of what Savage Outlaw are capable of. We're going to start with the first track. It's a cover of a beautiful song. It's got a lot of personal meaning to me, a lot of personal meaning to Mark as well. It's Mark's song of his first dance at his wedding. This is it's by an artist called Train, and this one's called Drops of Jupiter. Let us know what you think. Well, then she's back in my atmosphere with drops of Jupiter in her hair. She acts like summer and walks like rain. Reminds me that there's a time to change. Since the return of a stay on the moon, she listens like spring and talks like June. Tell me, did you sail across the sun? Did you make it to the Milky Way to see the lights are fading and that heaven is overrated? Tell me, did you fall for a shooting star? One without a permanent scar, and then you miss me while you're looking for yourself out there. Now that she's back from that soul vacation, tracing her way through the constellation, She checks out Mozart while she does typo. Reminds me that there's room to grow. Since the return of a stay on the moon, she listens like spring, talks like June, with the same old tale of a story about a man who was too afraid to fly, but he never did land. But tell me, did the wind sweep you off your feet? Did you finally get the chance to dance along the light of days and head back to the Milky Way? And tell me, did Venus die all night? Was it everything you wanted to find? And then you miss me while you're looking for yourself out there. Can you imagine all the love, fried deep fried chicken, your best friend always sticking out for you? Even when I know you're wrong, can you imagine your first dance, freeze-dried romance, vibe out phone conversation? That's all your logic that you never had in me. But tell me,